Sales analytics. Insights and decision-making confidence that'll keep you ahead of market predictions. Hey there, how are you doing? Today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, and which is sales analytics, and how it can be used to improve decision-making and keep up with market predictions. So let us first understand what sales analytics is. Sales analytics is the process used to identify, model, understand, and predict sales trends and sales results, while helping in the understanding of these trends and finding improvement points. So, what is sales analytics software? Sales analytics software supports collecting data and creating sales insights based on a range of sales activities. Metrics from an analytics tool help in determining the previous customer's led behavior to forecast future sales and increase business opportunities. How does it work? A typical sales analytics tool extracts data from different sources of truth sales technology stack and analyzes it. The analyzed data is presented in the form of revenue intelligence and customer intelligence insights and reported on a sophisticated dashboard. Let's talk about the key features of a typical sales analytics software. Collaborative analytics, pre-built visualizations, email, export, and print reports, seamless integration, smart forecasting, embedded analytics. Now, let's deep dive and see a few market predictions you can chase with sales analytics software. Sales analytics report and track customer behavior and help to understand which customers are worth retaining and which customers to let go of. Using the free indications from the sales analytics tool, you can coach your reps to filter out the customers who use service interactions for emotional support and socialization, and not really for solving actual issues. Going through sales reporting software, you can easily identify social selling, impacting the sales metrics to a certain extent. With that proof in hand, you can start exploiting the power of social platforms like LinkedIn and Reddit starting today. Sales reports suggest a great deal of time is spent on non-selling tasks due to manual and repetitive tasks piling around. For instance, making notes, data entry into CRM, writing back to general emails, etc. All such tasks can be replaced with a call recording software that's capable of making transcriptions. Anticipating problems before they happen can be your weapon to create wow moments for your customers. Today's sales analytics tools are getting sophisticated to give similar cues and support your follow-up conversations and customer service processes. Sales analytics tools can be used to observe customers' behaviors and identify which customers can leave your brand and immediately start with the retentions plans for such customers. Having spoken about the market predictions, let's not forget the daily help a sales analytics tool delivers. Improves transparency and accessibility, monitors sales data in different ways, allows you to review and evaluate sales performance, identifies bottlenecks and risks encountered by the sales team, improves coaching effectiveness and training agenda, helps you win deals quicker and more efficiently, identifies customer problems, enables team collaboration. Now on to how to choose the right sales data analytics software. Has all your sales data in one place, has a professional sales dashboard, has a user-friendly interface, has advanced sales analytics, has automated sales reporting. Let's take a look at how CareStack Dental Solutions benefited from moving to a sales analytics software in this short case study. Depending on your company's requirements, here are a few sales analytics tools to consider. Convin is a platform for assisted selling that records, transcribes, analyses sales conversations along with engaging the customers. It helps you to increase the deal closure rate for your inside sales teams and provides them the coaching they love. Salesforce CRM unites the marketing, sales, and other teams into one integrated CRM platform that powers their entire suite of connected apps. The HubSpot Sales Hub is a component of HubSpot that allows businesses to manage, communicate and track leads and helps the sales teams to interact with clients without spending time and resources inputting data or writing the same email every time. Clari turns pipeline management into pipeline mastery and gives the sales teams a detailed look at every deal at every moment. Alright, folks, that's all we got for today. Hope this video answered all your questions regarding sales analytics software. If it did, don't forget to let us know by leaving a comment on this video. We'll see you again soon with another informative video. Until then, keep your heads high and your quotas higher. Happy selling!